Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. It's me, Crazy Alibaba, back again. How you doing, everyone? Now, sorry in the delay of all this. I've been really busy. I'm off on holiday soon. Me and my missus, we've got to head back to good old Blighty. I go back once a year just to get a new visa for Thailand, but we're going to stop off in Cairo along the way. So I'm just trying to get everything sorted. So that's why I've been a bit slack. They call me Mr. Slack lately. Okay, back with this SEO, and what I've done is I've been a little bit mental on keywords, and what I did is I took my original keywords and I actually got into the coffee one more than the how to stop smoking and the business one. And what I did was I went through this list, and like we did in the last tutorial, deleted out the stuff that I didn't want, and then I found a word that I like. Now this word is a bit weird. I actually thought I'd never do a website on this actual thing because I can't cook, and the word I chose was where is it there it is there, coffee cake recipe. Okay, now I had a look in the coffee cake recipe, and what I liked about it was, let me show you. I'm going to show you why I came up with this idea of coffee cake recipe. It's just unbelievable doing a website on coffee cake recipe. But anyway, I stuck it into SEO tools and I did a submit, and what it did was it brought back lots of good quality relevant keywords. Okay, it brought back cinnamon coffee cake recipe, biscuit coffee, I don't even know how to say that, blueberry, apple. Okay, and what I did was I exported these out, and then I went through this list and I deleted the ones out again that I didn't want. And this is what I came up with. I got left with not that one, coffee cake recipes, this one. Okay, I've got best coffee cake recipe, cinnamon, applesauce, apple, blueberry, cherry. Now the reason I chose this was because there's so many subcategories. So for the concept of the website, which would be coffee cake recipe, for that actual concept there is so many subcategories or links on our website relevant to the word coffee cake recipe, but also has some great subcategories. Okay, like apple sauce coffee cake recipe, coffee crumb, banana, pecan, rhubarb, peach. Okay, making me hungry. So this is the reason that out of all the keywords that I looked at, I actually came out with this one, because I can actually find out that the numbers are quite good for the subcategories. You know, the cinnamons are higher than, let's say, the coffee chocolate cake recipes and blueberry streusel. Okay, things like that, the numbers are higher. So I've got a good mix here. I've got a good mix of lower numbers, where getting some really low numbers, to be honest, with like 82 people searching for that every day. But then I've also got my higher numbers as well, which will allow me to, you know, try to take control of the higher numbers, and it will also mean that I could probably more than likely get control of these lower numbers. There's not many people visiting, but you know, if this is a theory and we want to test it out, and if it works, I put less work into this, and then I just move on to another website and again do the similar thing. So this is what I came up with. I came up with coffee cake recipe. I know nothing about it, but I'm going to show you a way that you don't have to know anything about it. Okay, it excites me. I mean, I could see if I had a website based on coffee cake recipe, I can obviously see that I've got a lot of links that I can put on there, different related topics to coffee cake recipe, and also there's probably quite a lot of affiliated products out there. Google AdSense will come in really handy, because there'll be some great Google AdSense out there for coffee cake recipes. Like I said, I might be able to find products from places like ClickBank or CJ.com, where I can offer products and make affiliation money through it, make 50% of a sale. So with this actual topic, there's quite a big things that I could do with it. It's not just a case of me, you know, putting on the recipe and that's it. You know, there's a lot of ways and means that I could sneak in money making affiliates and stuff. So this is it. I think I've gone all weird. I think I've been eating too much sticky rice and fish heads, but I'm going to go for coffee cake recipe. It's the one that I like the best because it has so many good numbers and it has so many subcategories to it. Carry on. I know this can be boring, and I know it's like, oh, just get on with it, Ali, but this is really important. Find the concept of your website. This one, you can see why I've chosen this one, because the related keyword of the whole website, which is coffee cake recipe, it has so many subcategories to it that I can really get quite highly ranked with this website, and I'll have a lot of information I can put in there. And again, I will show you a place that you can go and to get all these free articles that you don't actually have to write anything about this topic. It's already written for you. Take it easy, guys and girls. Great to be here. I'll catch you at the next One Stop Tutorials. Laters, everyone.